Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
I'm Megan.
And I'm David.
Today we're going to talk about disagreement.
When someone disagrees with you,
This happens all the time,
at work, with friends, with family,
and it can feel uncomfortable.
especially in English,
But disagreement is normal.
it's okay to have different opinions.
The important thing is how you respond.
You can disagree and still be respectful.
You can disagree and still be kind.
And you don't need fancy English to do this.
Simple English is perfect.
Let me tell you something.
Many English learners are afraid to disagree,
They're afraid they'll sound rude,
or they don't know the right words,
so they just stay quiet.
or they agree even when they don't want to.
But you don't have to do that.
Today, we'll teach you how to disagree politely.
With calm, simple English.
First, let's learn the most important phrases.
First phrase, I see your point.
This shows you understand their opinion.
Say it with me. I see your point.
Pause.
Good. Say it again.
Pause.
Perfect.
Next phrase. I understand.
This shows you're listening.
Say it. I understand. Pause.
Another important one. I think differently.
This is a polite way to disagree.
Say it. I think differently.
Pause.
Good.
You can also say, I have a different opinion.
Try it. I have a different opinion.
Pause.
Perfect.
Another phrase. That's okay.
This shows that different opinions are fine.
Say it. That's okay. Pause.
And here's a really useful one. We can agree to disagree.
This means we have different opinions, and that's fine.
Say it slowly. We can agree to disagree.
Pause.
Excellent.
So now you have 6 phrases for disagreement.
I see your point. I understand. I think differently.
I have a different opinion. That's okay. We can agree to disagree.
These phrases are polite and clear.
Now let's see how to use them.
Let's hear a conversation.
2 friends are making plans.
I think we should go to the new Italian restaurant.
I see your point, but I think differently. I'd prefer the Thai place.
Really? Why?
I had Italian food yesterday. I want something different.
Oh, okay. Thai food sounds good too.
Did you hear that?
I disagreed politely.
I said, I see your point.
Then I said, I think differently.
Then I explained why.
And the conversation stayed friendly.
Let's try another example.
I think we should start the meeting at 9 a.m.
I understand, but I have a different opinion. 10 a.m. would be better for me.
Why's that?
I have another meeting at 9. I can't make it.
Oh, I see. 10 a.m. works.
Did you hear that?
Very polite disagreement.
I acknowledged the other person's idea first.
I said, I see your point.
Then I shared my opinion.
Now let's practice.
I'll say an opinion. You disagree politely.
Ready?
I think summer is the best season.
Disagree politely. Say, I see your point, but I think differently.
Pause.
Good. Now say which season you prefer.
Pause.
Perfect.
Let's try another one.
I think we should take the bus.
Disagree politely. Use I understand, but. Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about tone.
Tone is very important when you disagree.
You need to sound calm and respectful.
Not angry or annoyed.
Let me show you.
Bad tone. I don't agree with that at all.
That sounds rude.
Good tone. I see your point, but I think differently.
That sounds respectful.
Practice your tone. Say, I think differently in a calm voice.
Pause.
Good. Say it again.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's see a work disagreement.
This is important.
At work, you need to be extra polite when you disagree.
Listen to this conversation.
I think we should use the old design.
I see your point. The old design is familiar, but I have a different opinion. I think the new design is clearer for customers.
Why do you think that?
The new design has bigger text and simpler navigation.
That's a good point. Let's discuss both options.
Did you hear that?
I was very polite.
I acknowledged their opinion first.
I said, I see your point.
Then I shared my different opinion.
And I explained why.
The conversation stayed professional.
Let's practice a work disagreement.
I'll be your coworker.
I'll share an opinion.
You disagree politely.
Ready?
I think we should send the report today.
Disagree politely. Say, I understand, but pause.
Good. Now explain why.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now something important.
You don't need to win.
Disagreement is not a competition.
You can have different opinions and both be okay.
You don't need to convince the other person.
You just need to share your perspective.
Your perspective is your view or opinion.
Let's hear an example.
I think the movie was really good.
I have a different opinion. I didn't like it very much.
Really? Why not?
It was too long for me, but I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I can see that. It was pretty long.
Did you hear that?
We disagreed.
We both shared our opinions.
And we stayed friendly.
That's the goal.
Let's review what we learned so far.
When someone shares an opinion and you disagree, start by acknowledging them.
Say, I see your point, or I understand.
Then share your different opinion politely.
Say, I think differently, or I have a different opinion.
Explain why if you want to.
Use a calm, respectful tone.
You don't need to win the disagreement.
You just need to be clear and polite.
In part 2, we'll practice more disagreements.
And we'll talk about what to do when someone disagrees with you.
How to respond when you're the one being disagreed with.
See you in part 2.
You're doing wonderful.
Really wonderful.
Welcome back to part 2.
Thank you for continuing with us.
In part 1, we learned how to disagree politely.
We learned phrases like, I see your point, and I think differently.
Now let's practice more.
And let's talk about when someone disagrees with you.
How do you respond?
The key is to stay calm.
Don't get defensive.
Listen to their opinion.
You can say, I understand your perspective.
Or, that's a good point.
Or, I hadn't thought of that.
Let's hear an example.
I think we should meet on Friday.
I see your point, but I think Monday would be better. We'd have the weekend to prepare.
That's a good point. I hadn't thought of that. Monday works for me.
Did you hear that?
Someone disagreed with me.
And I listened.
I said, that's a good point.
I didn't get defensive.
And we found a solution together.
Let's practice this.
You'll share an opinion.
I'll disagree.
You respond calmly.
Ready?
You say, I think we should order pizza for lunch.
Pause.
Now I'll disagree. I see your point, but I had pizza yesterday. What about sandwiches?
Respond. Say something like, that's a good point, or I understand.
Pause.
Perfect.
You stayed calm.
You listened.
That's how good disagreement works.
Now let's practice different scenarios.
Scenario 1. Disagreeing with a friend about plans.
I'll be your friend.
I think we should go to the beach this weekend.
Disagree politely and suggest something else.
Pause.
Good job.
Scenario 2. Disagreeing with a coworker about a project.
I think we should use blue for the design.
Disagree politely. Suggest a different color.
Pause.
Excellent.
Scenario 3. Disagreeing about a time to meet.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Disagree politely. Suggest a different time.
Pause.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about cultural differences.
In some cultures, disagreeing directly is okay.
In other cultures, it's considered rude.
In English-speaking workplaces, polite disagreement is normal.
You can disagree as long as you're respectful.
Using phrases like, I see your point, makes it polite.
So don't be afraid to share your opinion.
Now let's talk about when to let it go.
Sometimes you disagree, and that's okay.
You don't have to resolve everything.
You can say, we can agree to disagree.
This means we have different opinions and we're both okay with that.
Let's hear an example.
I think that's the best restaurant in the city.
I have a different opinion. I prefer the one on Main Street.
Really? I think this one is better.
Well, we can agree to disagree. Everyone has different taste.
That's true.
Did you hear that?
We disagreed.
We didn't change each other's minds.
And that's okay.
We stayed friendly.
Let's practice saying this phrase.
Say, we can agree to disagree.
Pause.
Say it again.
Pause.
Good.
Now let's practice a complete disagreement conversation.
From start to finish.
I'll start with an opinion.
You disagree politely.
Then we'll have a natural conversation.
Ready?
I think working from home is better than working in an office.
Disagree politely. Say, I see your point, but
Pause.
why do you think that?
Explain your reason. Pause.
That's a good point. I understand your perspective.
Good. Now say, we both have good reasons. Pause.
Perfect.
That was a respectful disagreement.
Both people shared their opinions.
Both people listened.
Nobody got upset.
Now let's talk about what not to do.
Don't say you're wrong. That's too direct and sounds rude.
Don't say, that's stupid. That's disrespectful.
Don't interrupt when someone is talking.
Let them finish.
Don't raise your voice.
Stay calm.
And don't make it personal.
Disagree with the idea, not the person.
For example, don't say you always think that.
Just focus on this specific disagreement.
Let's practice one more complete conversation.
This is your final practice.
I'll share an opinion.
You disagree politely.
Then we'll discuss it.
Ready?
I think dogs are better pets than cats.
Disagree politely. Use the phrases we learned.
Pause. Why do you think that?
Explain your reason. Pause.
I see what you mean. I still prefer dogs, but I understand.
Respond. Say something like, that's okay, or we can agree to disagree.
Pause.
Perfect.
You handled that beautifully.
Now let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
To disagree politely, start by acknowledging the other person.
Say, I see your point, or I understand.
Then share your different opinion.
Say, I think differently, or I have a different opinion.
Explain your reason if you want to.
When someone disagrees with you, listen calmly.
Say, that's a good point, or I understand your perspective.
You don't have to win.
You both can have different opinions.
Say, we can agree to disagree if you don't resolve it.
Use a calm, respectful tone always.
Don't say, you're wrong, or interrupt.
Disagree with the idea, not the person.
For example, don't say, you always think that. Just focus on this specific disagreement.
Let's practice one more complete conversation.
This is your final practice.
I'll share an opinion.
You disagree politely.
Then we'll discuss it.
Ready?
I think dogs are better pets than cats.
Disagree politely. Use the phrases we learned.
Pause. Why do you think that?
Explain your reason. Pause.
I see what you mean. I still prefer dogs, but I understand.
Respond. Say something like, that's okay, or we can agree to disagree.
Pause.
Perfect.
You handled that beautifully.
Let's review everything from part 1 and part 2.
To disagree politely, start by acknowledging the other person.
Say, I see your point, or I understand.
Then share your different opinion.
Say, I think differently, or I have a different opinion.
Explain your reason if you want to.
When someone disagrees with you, listen calmly.
Say, that's a good point, or I understand your perspective.
You don't have to win.
You both can have different opinions.
Say, we can agree to disagree if you don't resolve it.
Use a calm, respectful tone always.
Don't say, you're wrong, or interrupt.
Disagree with the idea, not the person.
For example, don't say, you always think that. Just focus on this specific disagreement.
Now, let me tell you something important.
Disagreeing is a sign of confidence.
It shows you have your own thoughts.
In English-speaking cultures, this is respected.
As long as you're polite, disagreement is good.
It leads to better ideas.
It shows you're thinking.
So don't be afraid.
You can disagree in English.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need these simple phrases and a calm tone.
Here's your challenge for this week.
Practice disagreeing in a low-stakes situation.
Low stakes means not important.
like disagreeing about which movie to watch.
Or where to eat lunch.
Use the phrases we learned.
Say, I see your point, but I think differently.
Practice your tone.
Notice how the other person responds.
They'll probably respect your opinion.
And you'll feel more confident.
Remember, disagreement is not rude,
It's normal and healthy.
as long as you're respectful.
Thank you for learning with us today.
This was an important topic.
And you did great.
We're proud of you.
See you next time. Keep practicing. You're amazing.
Really amazing.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.